back at it again. As you can see, we got the EDG van. We parked out here in the Hollywood Hills. We in another cool little spot. We're doing another fabric made system. Fabric, they want all black suede label. So this is like their studio house. They got a bunch of different rooms. I think we're just gonna attack one room though. I'll show you guys the walkthrough right now. We just finished cutting some drywall. So now we're about to install some drywall and then start on the fabric.
You got a big bark, but you're not a dog. When we talk about the cash and you're not involved, I'ma hit it one time, then I'm not involved. Look, young nigga rhyme, and I got it all. Yeah, you got a big bark, but you're not a dog. When we talk about the cash and you're not involved, I'ma hit it one time, then I'm not involved. Look, young nigga rhyme, and I got it all.
Studio. We basically moved everything out. Pretty straightforward room. Just all drywall. Got some cool windows, patio right there. Yeah. So right now, bringing all the sockets that we need, bringing them out because we're about to put some drywall with the green glue system. So we're using the green glue system for the drywall. They had some stairs, so we cut the drywall downstairs and brought them up in 4x4 sections. Now we at the point we put the drywall up. We just finished day 2, so the green glue is dried. All the drywall is screwed in. We just made the mark for the fabric mate. So go over there, start cutting. right now, we just finished tracking up everything. We tracked up the whole room. They had a window here, so we had to put some insulation in there, and then we covered it like outside with fabric and the inside so it's not falling out on us. But as you can see, we extended all the outlets. All of the usable outlets are extended. And so this wall, you guys saw us putting up that quiet rock, but it's green glue and quiet rock drywall on this wall. Cut them into 4x4 sections. Tape them up with the airtight sealant tape. All the gaps, all the seams. So they even came in here afterwards and was like, man, we can't even hear y'all drilling or nailing in here. So we know it's working. All the outlets extended. And then the vent right there. We got the extension cord.
Like, I don't mind working, I'm not tripping as long as the girls is cool. They don't even smell good. Acoustics. Today we at home in the valley, little rug spot. Clients in Hollywood want to get a rug, so we're gonna get a good one that's gonna absorb the sound. Our house took us about 2 days to find these rugs. absorbing that sound. It's carpet like. I like anything close to carpet. It'll work real well. Check out some rugs while we get that ready for us. My first choice was that black one is gone already, huh?
Yeah.
Somebody grabbed it?
Yeah.
The ones with the lines in it?
Yeah.
Dang, that's crazy.
Yes.
Oh, and they came and got it today. Wow. It's good business, man. Some good, nice rugs in here. I like that style right there, a little camouflage style. Probably stay away from that. This is a nice one right here. I like that pattern. Pretty nice. Yeah, so if you ever need some rugs, man. Check out that pattern. That's a nice one. Put some double-sided tape, or it'll eventually go down, huh?
Oh yeah, all that. Once you get it, once you get it where you want it to go, I'll show you right now. Just give it a little opposite roll really quick.
Oh, the opposite way, huh?
Yeah, so just grab a corner, flip it over. Just do one of these. Like you're rolling a little something.
Oh, okay. It don't have to be long at all.
No,
Got you. Perfect.
And then once you feel, it'll just flatten out.
Yeah. So this one don't need the underlay because
No, this one's fairly heavy. I mean, if you ever did need it, we can get it for you.
okay. Yeah, it's hardwood floors going on, so I think
Yeah,
this would be
it's
good.
not gonna harm it.
Okay. Yeah, that's perfect, man. And you say cleaning it is how?
Water soap clean?
Just water, soap?
Yeah.
Got you.
If you want to do professional cleaning, you can do that too.
I got you, man. Thank you. You gonna leave that tag on there?
No, I'm gonna take that off for you.
Price of this. Oh. What size is this? 12 by 15. Pretty good. Once again, that's Home in the Valley. They just threw the rug up in here, man. Let's check out the rug, man. It fit right in here. Got the nice rug already in here. So, hey, let's take it to Hollywood Hills, man. At Home in the Valley since 1979. It's back there perfect. And we go. Nice in this room.